Welcome back. Today we will see how we can make a rib in SolidWorks. I have made a simple model on the screen. You can see I have made one angle and one cylinder, so where I can show you that in different aspect how we can make a rib. uh, First we will go in a rib command. You can directly see the icon in the command manager rib, or you can go in insert and uh, where it is features and rib is also another path you can see, or you can also search in this small uh, place over there and you can select command and you have a rib. Now you can see over here rib. All the way you can get only the same command. Okay, now once we go inside the rib, it is asking to make a sketch crossed to the section where you want to have a rib, or you can select existing sketch if you already made that. Currently I haven't made any sketch, so I will go in that to draw that. I will select a plane which is cross to the section where you want to make a rib. So this is the correct one. So I will draw a complete rib from this point to this point. You can draw to mid also, it is also no problem. So I will draw from this to this. You don't need to have a close sketch, just need to have a guide sketch where a rib should start. So it's directly showing the rib where how we get the rib on. They have a different thickness position. It is on one side where what is thickness we have given, it is in the middle or it is on the left side. Extrusion direction, it must be on the direction where the material is, because it is showing that this direction but we don't have any solid body over there, so it will not create any rib. So extrusion profile is very important. You must select the extrusion profile where the cross material is. So this is the correct one. I will go with the centered, maybe 50 mm is okay. And then now wait, this is the rib. It's very easy. If you want to have a rib till only the middle, you can edit the sketch, go below below the rib, you will find a sketch and then you can edit that sketch anytime. Oh sorry. So I will, there is one constraint, I will delete that and I will bring it to the middle, exit, it's middle, so it's not so difficult. Then if you want to have a draft in case of mold or something or casting, then you can select the draft on off button and then you will have a draft. Anyway, I will go with 5° and you want to have a draft outward, because now you can see draft is normal. You will see there is a draft of that. So this is in the linear case. You need to, it is very easy in the linear case because we have two cross sections to guide the rib. But in case of cylinder, there is a one side we need to use a small trick to make a rib when we have a cylinder. So we will see that. Now with the cylinder we will go to make a sketch on this plane which is in the middle of the cylinder. So we go in sketch and then normal, and I will make a sketch from a little inside from the cylinder side, and normal on the where the linear is, because in the cylinder side if you make a sketch directly on the extreme edge, then while creating the rib you will get an error, because there is a zero material thickness on that side of rib and it is not, system is not going to create that rib. So you need to little push inside the rib. So I will say at 10 mm inside, So 30 mm inside the rib, and now I will exit. Now I will go again in the rib command, rib. So I already have a sketch. I will select that sketch, and now it's showing the material is on this way. Okay, now you can see the error because there is no material on that side of arrow, so it will not able to create any rib. So we need to change the direction. Yes, now this is okay. Flip material side, then now it's great because it was little too small and you are not able to create that. Now you can see 50. Yes, now it's okay. You can see 100. So if you pull the sketch back, then you will get a gap over here because it will make a tangent rib and there is a zero material thickness. So then the software gives an error. So you need to push the sketch a little inside, so it will have a merge kind of thing. And you also give the draft to this. Also having the draft, you can see on the top is both rib having the top, the draft. Yes, that's it from the rib. Thank you.